Okay, so welcome. Thank you for joining the basic graphic course. So this one will be covering an app called Phonto, which you should have downloaded by now on your phone. If you have another device, you can use that so that you can use your phone to just follow what will be done here briefly. It's not going to take long. Phonto is pretty easy to use, and that's why I've called it a basic course. Okay, so what you need to do is look for Phonto. If you've already downloaded it from your Play Store, just look for Phonto. So here we have Phonto, and it's usually a gridded canvas, just like this, what you see on here. So you can see Phonto on the left, and you can see at the top here, you can see an icon there to bring in an image. So let's bring in an image, or should we start with a plain image? So if I click on there, top left, load image from device, or use a plain image. I can choose any one I want. So let's first of all do an image from the device. So if I choose an image from the device, it will go to my photos, my phone gallery. That's where it will go. My phone is so full of stuff. So let's find something from my gallery. So much stuff going on in my gallery. Let's find something. Okay, so this is my gallery over here. Let me just pick this one. Okay. No, not very nice. Let's go back. Let's discard this image and go and pick something else that is nicer from my gallery. Okay. So that's my camera roll. So here I can just pick this. So if I pick this image, for example, and I want to write on here. So this is my brand color on my YouTube channel. If you look at the YouTube channel, you see that is my brand color. So if I want to write, there's a pencil at the top. I will click the pencil and I can add the text and say basic graphic, and then I can go to second line and say training. Okay, and I can choose to have it on the left as it is now, or in the middle, at the center, or to the right. So let's put it in the middle, and then you can change the font from here if you want. You can choose any of the fonts. It's got loads of fonts over here, but I won't do that here now. Okay, so let's go back, and then you click the blue tab saying done. So you're done. So the last color I used was blue. This doesn't match. So what will I do? I can change the size by clicking size. Can you see size? Bottom left. I click on size. I can click on the arrow minus sign to reduce it, or I can just slide. You can see the numbers are reducing. So let's put it here, basic graphic training. All right, so it's here, but we don't want it to be blue. All right, so we can go to style, and you see here it says text color. So let's make it yellow. I love yellow on this, so I choose yellow. Okay, if this is what it's going to look like basic when it's yellow, and if I click on the down arrow here, I can put a shadow on the text if I want. You just play around with these apps. Can you see? You just play around. That's what it looks like with a shadow. You can also add a background to it if you want. So if I want maybe that background, that doesn't really suit it, but just to show you that if you want a background, wider background, the height of the background, and the corner of the background, however you want it, you can do that. So it's just a matter of playing with all that. The next thing that you will do, or you can do, so we can move this around. Let's say we want it here. So I'm going to go back and remove the background because it doesn't really look too pretty. So that background, we don't want it. How do we take that background away? Can't remember. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to delete that text. Let me take it away. I don't want it. I'm going to put a new one. Basic graphics training. Okay, done. So back here, so the text, I'm going to move to the center, done, and put it back here. It's not in the center, is it? Go to the text and let's put it in the center. Why isn't it coming to the center? Done. No, it has refused. So we will manipulate. Okay, it says it's done actually. Didn't notice that. So this is basic graphics training. Can you see that? This is how we do that. So let's play around with it with the font. If we want to change the font, let's say we want to change it, we can move to Roboto Black, or let's make it italic so you can see it, that it's really different. So you can see basics graphics training. And that is how you use Phonto. What you do is that you will save the image here, and you see that icon, and it will download in your gallery. It has ads, so you have to deal with that. You can go to the three buttons at the top, load image, go to your settings and play around. If you want to rotate, preview, send to Facebook, social media, or just share directly. I don't normally share directly in case there are any mistakes there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to discard this image. So if you go to the bottom of your phone, you can discard the image. Okay, I just clicked on the arrow to the left that you can see. I can discard the image. Next, I will click at the top right hand corner again, use a plain image. So when I choose a plain image, this is what I get. Okay, so I clicked on the black one, and then towards the bottom third, you will see color. So I will click on color. So it will, I can pick any color I want for my canvas. So I was going to pick pink, but let's pick something that boys and girls will like. So let's pick a shade of green, and then click done. But you can make it as dark as you want by sliding all this. You can change it. You can change anything you want over here, and you're done. Okay, so this is the color, so let's use it. So bam, here is your canvas. Now again, you can choose to write on it. Are we having fun? So it will pick my last text. Are we having fun yet? Fun yet? Okay, so let's go basic graphics training. Yeah. So I can just go to the bottom and write Rogebush, and I'll put it in the middle, and I'm done. But if I want to change the text or the font, let's find something else that we like. Let's use Samsung Korean Bold. So here we go. It's big, too big. So we click on size, bottom left, and just slide or use the minus sign. I usually slide, but when it's tight, then that's when I use the minus sign. So here we go. And you can use the plus sign to bring it up little by little. So here we are. So we have that. Now, if you click on that text again, you can go to, you can move up. You see, you can move up, move to the side little by little. So you can use your fingers to move it, or you can use the arrows to move it. So click on that again, and then go to style, and then text color you can change anyhow you want. So you can choose what goes on green. I wonder, let's just do something cracky. We can use a darker shade of green, or we can create a color pattern at the bottom. Can you see create color pattern? So here you have orange and pink. So we can choose to have a different color pattern. Let's add yellow to it. Let's add another shade of, okay, this is yellow. This one will make it lilac. Add a third color, and then it's maybe blue. So can you see the colors changing? Okay. So this is nice. This is really nice for little kids. And then you click on done. Can you see? So Phonto is all about playing with the app and all the functionality that is there. So if you create something, you can send it to me to have a look. I'll be very happy. And I would also like if you leave a comment so I know how you found this basic training course. Also, let me know what you would like to learn as well. And this will also be useful for those that are coming on the VA program if you don't already do a lot of graphics, because it would be nice for you to know how to use it to pitch yourself. So you just save, always save, don't forget, save, so that it goes to your gallery, and then you can preview. So here it is, you're done. So basic Phonto with Ronke Posh. Thank you so much. See you next time. Don't forget to check out our videos on here, and yeah, just keep connected. Thank you.